the FFTG Awards, we honor stories written long before they were made. And now their next chapter begins, where brevity becomes cinema. Presenting From and to Nature We Return, directed by Bishoy Adel from Egypt. Reviewed by We, the Chosen Ones, a curated international grand jury of filmmakers from around the world. They have lived the journey, felt the instinct, and now we stand behind this story. In partnership with global platforms shaping the future of filmmaking. Crafted by creatives, curated by instinct, rooted in destiny. This is the FFTG Awards Film Fest, where everyone has a story. What's yours?